morning. What does Kung Fu Panda say? Does he say skadoosh?
Skadoosh.
What does... Oh, thank you. What does Donald Duck say? Whoa. Hey. Oh, you love your brother, huh? Daddy put you in Dawson's jammies last night. You are so nice.
Pajama. Ooh. Ooh.
What does Donald Duck say? What does Kung Fu Panda say?
Skadoosh.
Skadoosh.
Oh no.
What's the matter? Where's Jakey?
Don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I can see him.
You gonna go get him?
Okay.
Okay.
See you later.
See you later.